Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope so you all will be fine. Allah bless you all. Today in grade 7, it's my 4th lecture and we are doing week 7 planning. And today date is 1st July 2020. Students, today we are going to do our exercise of the story of an invitation. Well students, moving on. Today we are going to do exercise. Please open your book page number 35. Okay. Hope so you read the story and you know that the story is about act of kindness that transforms two people's lives. Okay. So the exercise we are going to do is exercise A, comprehension, and we will do part A, C and D. For your convenience, I did all the questions on my notebook. Okay, first of all you have to prepare your register page. Okay, mention date and day on the top of the page, and you have to write topic and activity as well. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is, in what respect were the two girls different from each other? Okay, how the both girls Bertha and Grace were different from each other. You have to describe it. So the answer is, Bertha was bright, pretty and popular, while Grace was a grave, quiet girl dressed in mourning and quite alone in the world, the aunt who had brought her up having recently died. It's the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is, what do we learn about the aunt from what Bertha says about her? And the answer is, yes, we learn that the aunt is a dear, sweet, jolly person. Okay, these are the qualities of Aunt Meg. She is also kind, generous and understanding. Okay, she understands the problem of Grace and invite her in vacations. Question number 3, what do you think is meant by the statement Mary and Lo and Lil are girls after your own heart? Okay, we have to describe the meaning of this statement. This statement is took from your story, the story of an invitation. And the answer is, it means that the girls have similar temperaments and interest. Okay, the girls Mary, Lo and Lil are having same interest as Bertha have. Okay, now we will do book page number 35. So please open it. Okay, please open up your book page number 36, working with words, and we'll do right now B2 part. Okay, complete the crossword by solving the clues. All the words appear in the story apart from one. Which one? Okay, you also have to guess that which part or which word didn't appear in the story. Here you have given the instructions across and down. Okay, in a cross movement you will go from left to right. Okay, and in down you will go top to bottom. Okay, first number 1 is, when something is finished or completed we say it has. Okay, first is across, so we will write here ended. Okay, when something is finished or completed we say it has ended. No lies. Number 2, you can see the number here. Okay, number 2 you have to write here truth. Not lies, truth. When we have put on our clothes, we are dash. We are. Third one, you can see the number here 3, so you write here dressed. Something that is liked by many is fifth one is popular. Okay, when something is liked by many, it is called popular. When you get to the top of something, we say you have dashed it. Eighth, So 8 is here, climbed. Okay, when you get to the top of something, we say you have climbed. To believe or think that something is true or real. Number 9. Number 9 is here, number 9. Okay, and the word is suppose. The word is suppose. Not clear or precise, indistinct, and the word is vague. 11th one is schemes, arrangements and programs, and the answer is plan. Okay, the answer is plan. Okay, now follow this clue down. Okay, the hints are to get away from, to get free. Okay, it's number 1. Number 1 means from top to bottom. To get away from, to get free, it means escape. Okay, it means escape. Belonging to them. Number 2. Belonging to them is there. Belonging to them, there. Third one is small plant, and it's number 4. Small plant is shrub. You can see here the number 4, shrub. 6th one is what Grace became after eating well at Aunt's Meg. Number 6th. Here is number 6, that is plump. Okay, what Grace became? Plump. And 7th one is takes into one's family by legal means and raises as one's own child. Okay, it's number 7. And number 7 is here, adopts. Okay, adopts. Shut mean close. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to complete this table, and as I wrote in across words, you will write a mark blank here and complete this down arrangement words. Okay, and after that I'll send you homework too. Thank you.